How to create animated GIFs in Canva and boost your social media engagement. Posting animated GIFs is a really good way to boost your social media engagement because these moving graphics, they get people's attention when they are scrolling through their feed. And now I will show you how you easily and quickly can create great looking animated GIFs in Canva. So first in Canva, click here on animated social media, and here you can create a graphic from scratch or use a template. And to create a graphic really fast now, I want to choose a template, and I will choose a template I have created. It's part of my social media package, the Social Media Experts Toolkit. So let's scroll down to find it here, and here we have it. So this is my template package, Feel Good Templates, and it is part of the Social Media Experts Toolkit. But you can choose any templates you like, or you can create your graphics from scratch. Now let's choose some graphics here. Let's take this one and maybe this one and one last one. Let's choose this one. So now we have 4 pages here, and we are going to animate them. And you do so by clicking on the graphic you want to animate, and then you click on Animate here. And by clicking here, you can preview how the different styles look. So first we have combinations here, great looking combinations. I think the first one looks good, so let's choose the first one here. And we are going to move on to the next page and animate this page. So let's try another animation here. Let's choose this one. And here we have the next page, and let's choose fun again. It looks good. Yes. Now, if we want to make this GIF even more interesting, we can add interesting transitions as well. So here we can choose a dissolve transition, a slide transition, a circle wipe, a line wipe, match and move, stack, or chop. Let's choose chop. And to make it even more interesting, we can choose another transition between these 2 pages. So let's choose slide here, and for the last transition we can choose, let's say, stack. Right, so now let's preview what this GIF will look like. That's it, and now we just have to click here on download and then choose to export it as a GIF. Posting GIFs on social media is a great way to get people's attention and successfully promote your business.